Moving on to example 2. For this inequality, we're going to have to undo the division first and then undo the subtraction that is on top. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to complete my work over here on the side. So we have x minus 9 divided by 22 is greater than or equal to negative 1. Now I also like to put parentheses around a quantity that's in the numerator of a fraction. So the first thing that I'm going to want to do is I'm going to go ahead and undo that division. And the inverse operation for division is multiplication. So I'm going to multiply both sides by 22. And what that does is that eliminates the denominator because anything divided by itself is 1. And then I'm just going to bring down what was left on top in my numerator, which was just x minus 9. And then I'm just going to bring this down, and then negative 1 times positive 22 is negative 22. Now that I've taken x minus 9 out of that numerator, I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to rewrite it, but I don't really need the parentheses anymore because it doesn't serve as a function at this time because I'm not moving, I'm not multiplying, or I don't have to apply distributive property. So now I'm going to move this negative 9 to the other side by using addition. I'm going to bring down x. This cancels. Then I'm going to bring down my inequality symbol. Negative 22 plus 9, that is going to give me negative 13. And so that is my solution. So if I were to write my solution in a sentence, I'm going to start here with my x. So the solutions for x solution set is all values greater than or equal to negative 13. So I'm going to go to my number line and I'm going to locate negative 13. So this is going to be my negative 13. And since x could possibly be equal to negative 13, that means it's included in the solution set. So I'm going to go ahead and draw a circle around it, and I'm going to shade it in because it is included in the solution set. And since x is greater than, that means I'm going to end up shading to the right. Shade all values that are greater than negative 13. And that is the solution for example 2.